Are you torn between the ANCEL VD500 and the TOPDON Al600 OBD2 scanners? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll compare these two scanners side by side so you know exactly which one fits your needs. Diagnostics with a closer look at the ANCEL VD500 OBD2 scanner. If you own a Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, or Seat, this tool might just be your new best friend. So, let's get started. If you want to buy this product, click on the description below the video. The ANCEL VD500 comes in a simple, no-nonsense package. Inside the box, you'll find the scanner itself, a user manual, and a USB cable for updates. The device feels solid in hand with a sturdy build quality, perfect for a tool you'll be tossing in your glove box or toolbox. The VD500 features a 2.8-inch color screen, which is bright and clear, and the buttons are responsive, making it easy to navigate through the menus. This scanner can read and clear engine codes, ABS, seniors, and transmission codes. It also offers real-time data, battery voltage checks, and can even reset the oil service light and EPB. Brake pads. The live data stream feature is particularly handy for those who want to monitor their vehicle's performance in real time. The VD500 OBD2 scanner is specifically designed to diagnose Volkswagen Group fits for VW, Audi, Skoda Seat 12-volt 16-pin vehicles, but can also be used with other 12-volt non-Volkswagen and light trucks, non-electric vehicles manufactured in 1996 or later that are OBD2 compliant with standard 16-pin OBD2 protocols J1850 VPM, J1850 PWM, ISO 9141, QIP 2000 and CAN. With English and German as display languages, this diagnostic scan tool support costs nothing to lifetime software updates to fix the latest bugs or add new parameters. Simply download the software from the official website, then follow on-screen instructions to install it. Let's put the VD500 to the test. We're going to plug it into this 2015 Audi A4 and see what it can do. After connecting, the scanner quickly reads the vehicle's data and displays any error codes. Here, we can see a stored ABS code, and with a few clicks, we can get detailed information about the issue and even clear the code once the repair is done. Pros: brand-specific diagnostics, perfect for VW, Audi, Skoda, and Seat owners. User-friendly interface, easy to navigate, even for beginners. Wide compatibility, works with most OBD2 vehicles, not just VAG models. Affordable, offers great value for its price point. Cons: limited updates. While it does support updates, the software isn't as frequently updated as some higher-end models. Basic design, it's functional, but don't expect premium materials or design. Overall, the ANCEL VD500 is a solid choice for anyone who owns a VW, Audi, Skoda, or Seat. It's affordable, easy to use, and offers a range of diagnostics that can help you maintain your vehicle and avoid costly trips to the mechanic. If you're a DIY enthusiast or just want a reliable tool to keep in your car, the VD500 is definitely worth considering. TOPDON Al600 OBD2 scanner. If you're passionate about keeping your vehicle in top-notch condition or just love getting under the hood, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. The TOPDON Al600 is not just your average OBD2 scanner. It's a compact and powerful tool, designed to give you unparalleled access to your vehicle's diagnostics. Whether you're a dealer or a professional mechanic, this scanner is a game changer. Key features: full OBD2 functions. The Al600 supports all 10 modes of OBD2, providing you with comprehensive access to your vehicle's engine, transmission, ABS, and more. It's like having a personal diagnostic assistant right in your hands. 3 maintenance services: oil reset for 53 car brands, SAS service for 41 car brands, BMS service for 22 car brands. The car brand coverage is still growing for this OBD2 scanner. Live data stream. One of the standout features is the live data stream, allowing you to see real-time information about your vehicle's performance. From engine RPM to coolant temperature, you'll have a detailed view of what's happening under the hood. Wide vehicle compatibility. The AL600 is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, both domestic and foreign. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or truck, chances are this scanner has you covered. Fully functioned OBD2 scanner to solve smog-related OBD2 issues for most modern cars. After 1996. DTC lookup library. Encountering a diagnostic trouble code DTC can be confusing, but not with the AL600. It comes with a built-in DTC lookup library, providing you with detailed explanations and possible solutions for each code. Large display screen. The AL600 features a large, easy-to-read display screen, ensuring that you can navigate through menus and view data without squinting. The user interface is straightforward, making it accessible for beginners and seasoned professionals alike. Multilingual support. For our global viewers, you'll appreciate that the AL600 supports multiple languages, making it a versatile tool for users around the world. Free lifetime diagnostic software update is available for this scan tool to save costs. Here are some pros and cons about TOPDON AL600. Pros: supports all OBD2 functions, reads ABS and seniors codes, performs 3 service resets, user-friendly interface, comes with a built-in DTC library, free lifetime updates. Cons: limited vehicle coverage, lacks advanced features. In conclusion, the TOPDON Al600 OBD2 scanner is a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle. Its powerful features, user-friendly design, and wide compatibility make it a standout in the world of OBD2 scanners. If you're ready to take control of your car's diagnostics, the Al600 is the tool for you. So, which one should you choose? If you're driving a VW, Audi, Skoda, or Seat and you want an affordable, brand-specific scanner, the ANCEL VD500 is perfect. But if you want something universal that works on most cars and gives you more data to work with, the TOPDON Al600 is the better investment. Alright, that's my take on the ANCEL VD500 versus TOPDON Al600. Which one would you pick for your garage? By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.